couple weeks ago, we got our first VR headset, our HTC Vive. Today, we got our second, the Oculus Rift. Let's go ahead and unbox this guy and see what we got in here. So, here we go. Pretty cool looking box. Excellent. So first thing we have here is our HMD, our head-mounted display. The nice amount of cables. And then we have our Xbox remote. The motion controllers have not yet been released for the Rift. They should be coming in the winter. Excited about that. Got some batteries. Got a little USB stick for the controller. A nice little super tiny health and safety warranty guide. Very micro, super tiny. And then, finally, we have this guy, which is, what is this guy? Let's find out here. A sensor. Probably a little sort of motion sensor as well. So there we go. A lot less wires than the Vive. Should be a little bit quicker setup. It doesn't have the room sensing abilities as the Vive, but it does have a higher display density screen. So very excited to see what we can do with this here at the Idea Foundry. Let's go in a museum. Sounds like I can hear a dinosaur walking towards me. Yep. He spits right on you. It's pretty cool. The head tracking is really good.